So I just drove an hour, 2-hour round trip drive to Ikea because Dave wants some cloudberry jam, and a mother's love knows no boundaries. So I'm gonna get him some for Christmas. I don't even know what a cloudberry is. He doesn't know what a cloudberry is, but he has this obsession with Sweden. So I'm going to get him some cloudberry jam at Ikea. Yes, my Dave is worth a 2-hour drive. We love you, Dave. Here we go. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we put up new videos. Hello, I am Tara, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook, where you can eat better, spend less. We have a new hardcover with full color pictures and over 1,200 recipes and tips to help you save money on your grocery bill. Check it out at livingonadime.com. So I absolutely love this thing. I have it sitting in my sink, and I keep my brush and sponge and scraper in here, and then I can just throw the whole thing in the dishwasher because it's stainless steel and it drains. Absolutely love it. Okay, I'm grabbing a new dish scrubby right here. Everyone can do their own dishes with soap right in there. Hopefully we can get dishes under control. My soap dispenser is broken, so we are going to see if this one will work. This would make a really great dish drainer also. Put your big stuff on this side and your little sponges and stuff on that side. Love, love, love this spatula. It's super thin. See if I can show you. See, it's super thin, so it slides on the pancakes and stuff really easy. I love the spatula. Okay, so these are the curtains I need.
Involved in, but not in like wow, right? Like I want to prioritize.
You don't have to hem them. That would be wonderful. Okay, now that's a bathroom. Wow. Love all the storage. Holy cow, look at all that storage. And right there. Nice. Oh, isn't that glorious? Oh my goodness, that is glorious. Look at that. Wow. Okay, that is definitely worth it. Okay, this absolutely drives me bonkers. I never shop. I never get my Christmas shopping done. And the week before Christmas, I always find everything. Just found another lamp for Mike at Walmart, wrapped it, got under the tree, and I think this lamp would work a whole lot better. Oh, I can't believe it, but that's okay. Found something I think will work better. Wow, those would make some great under cabinet lights. I almost want to start shopping for the new house before we get it. All right, I found some plants for Mom, and she can't kill them. I'm sure you're watching this, Mom. Only kidding. We have a couple of sets of these shelves that we got at the thrift store for $10, but let me tell you, they are worth the full price. We have used these shelves more than anything else. Just drove an hour to get down here, and they're out. Yeah, an hour, 2-hour drive, and they're out. Okay, my Christmas shopping is not starting off very well. Right back where I started, this is the kind of stuff that really wears me out. I love Ikea, but there's a reason why we only make the trip down here once every 2 or 3 years. So, did not get my cloudberry jam, the only reason I came down here, but I got some good ideas for the next house if we have to remodel, or if we don't have to remodel, just some good ideas for storage and that kind of thing. So, might be worth it. But I have to say, what is with Ikea and their baskets? They don't go straight. They just go sideways. Absolutely drives me bonkers. Anyway, that trip was a huge flop. Oh well, you win some, you lose some. Livingoutadime.com.